Hey guys, it's Rollout here, and welcome back to Exscudo Talk episode number 16. Now, a really exciting week. We have MultiBroker having its soft release, so we're going to definitely dive into that and see what features are available now. We also have to talk about the AMA and give away $25. So let's not delay anymore, and let's get started. Now this week we're going to focus a little bit more on MultiBroker than on the exchange market news, as things are right now in transition, as you will see. But starting out with the Exscudo system health check, we can see everything is working just fine. Even the test.exscudo.com is up now. I know it was down for a couple of days there while they were testing out the switch from MultiBroker from the testnet over to the mainnet. You'll see there on October 15th, we had some downtime, and the downtime led to something very exciting. Now, after a few hours of the exchange being down, we had a post on Discord and as well as an article coming out saying the soft launch of MultiBroker has commenced. So let's take a look at all of that. Wow, really exciting stuff here, guys. Excited to see MultiBroker. Now, just remember, the team did say this was going to be a soft launch. They were going to basically test out the software. They've been testing it on the testnet. They're going to test on how it works on the mainnet now, and then they'll start connecting exchanges with the goal of having at least 3 to 4 exchanges at the beginning. And I know Binance is in there too, and there's a few other big ones. So really, this is going to be a very, very exciting time to see how these connections work. Some of the major benefits they've noted here in the launch article is lower fees. Of course, the higher volume you have, the smaller the maker-taker fees get, and this will actually be a massive benefit to people across all the exchanges. And the arbitrage, wow, the opportunities are really going to be huge here for being able to just look at the exchange and see on any pair you want 4 different price points between them, and then being able to trade on those price differences right within one account. This is unheard of, and this is going to be really, really exciting. I'm sure the bot app developers out there are going to be all over this. Now, jumping on over to the exchange page, let's take a look at what has changed here. It's all very subtle, but it's very cool at the same time. So right at the top here, you have your display pair for what the volume's displaying in: BTC, USD, Euro. Now, of course, these volumes that are showing here are very, very high, so I'm going to get some clarity on those, where the data is being pulled from. I'm not going to assume they're accurate. I mean, it could be an error with my cache on the computer as well, but I will clarify with the team where the numbers are currently pulling from, and if this is just part of the turnover of this new software, and it still needs to be adjusted to make sure it's accurate before I report on any volume this week. But if that's a sign of things to come, wow, the things are going to be awesome. So you can get quotes for BTC pairs, EON pairs, USDT pairs. It's all fairly simple there. But a big one to note here is the exchange button. So you're going to be able to switch to see Excudo, Binance, all of these different launch exchanges. You're going to be able to look at them directly on this page, and that is pretty cool. Now, nothing else major to this page, so let's jump over to the actual trading page itself. Okay, we will start with the basics here. Now, overall, everything looks the same. We got our great trade view charts here. You'll see, though, we have these great little buttons kicking around that I really like. I think it's very clean. The setup for the actual order book is still the same. Down at the buy and sell, you will see for buy and sell a cool new feature here, which is actually choosing which exchange you want to buy and sell on, whether market limit, and a few other things there. So of course, this is going to show you how much it's going to cost. You're also able to put a limit order in to make those purchases as well. And we do see another button that's popped up here, which is maximum margin. So they're going to start to have margin trading, obviously, in there soon. The one thing I like here too is that you can close all orders at once. Basically a panic button. You can click that there and close all your orders, or just close your buy and sell orders, and to close out the open positions as well, or even here to reverse the positions. I think that is a really cool feature. Now moving over, we're going to get to the fun stuff here. So we have trade history. Boom, we can pop those in and out, so you can really customize the page. And then we can do our same thing before to have our longer term charts or different charts for comparables, whether we're long, short, swing trading, whatever we're doing there. Now, the exciting one here for me is to dive into this little tab here, which is my favorite so far, because every time you click on a different pair there or grouping of pairs, you're able to see all of the information for it up there. So if we go over to BTC, we're going to see low price, high price in this pair. And then we're also be able to change off to different trading pairs. So we have BTC EON here at 460 K, and then we can click down here to do BTC Euro. And then we can click again and go quickly down to BTC USDT. This is a very, very fast way to look at a bunch of different pairs with trading pairs within one cryptocurrency. And this chart goes the whole way down. What also makes this neat is you can see the exchange. So we can just switch off to a different exchange once that's running and be able to trade and arbitrage that way very, very quickly. There's going to be, for anybody paying attention, there's going to be a lot of opportunities coming up there. So I think this chart itself is a bit of a masterpiece from the Excudo team. Great job, guys. And some of the keen eyes out there did notice as well this derivatives tab, which is exciting because we're going to have derivatives soon. And I can't wait to talk about that when we have more information. But overall, a good soft launch to see how the software is functioning. And I can't wait to get that first partner exchange on there and see how it works from both sides. Now, we do have to take the time to squeeze in a little bit of global cryptocurrency news this week. Looking at the last 7 days, BTC had about almost 2% down at one point, but it's making a swift recovery now. And at the time of recording this video, we're sitting at negative 1.5 to negative 1.3% on the week. But you can see it's recovering very fast. And that $11,000 mark seems to be holding very, very strong as a resistance. Some of the more stable coins during the last 7 days were Ethereum and, of course, interestingly enough, Link. A lot of the times where we have a massive gain in an ERC20 token, like we did see in Link, it got up to $25 or so and then dropped back down. That's generally it. It does not recover as fast, but Link seems to be holding its own. And we also had Binance Coin kind of doing the same this week. But I expect to see a pretty good recovery in BTC and get us back down to at least the neutral level that we were 7 days ago. Now, as you may know, guys, the Excudo team is trying really to focus on attracting new users to cryptocurrency. They've been really working very hard on releasing great articles to help people out, instructionals, tutorials, that sort of thing, because it really does help out new users and it also attracts them to our platform. Now, I've been working with the team a little bit over these last few weeks, doing little video enhancements to these articles. So if you do have a chance to look at them and share them, that would be fantastic. And of course, if you have any comments on these articles or the video portion, just leave it in the comment section below. Now, one thing I do not want to forget is talking about the AMA. We're aiming for the AMA to be at the end of this month. And you guys have already been posting some excellent questions on Discord in the Excudo Weekly category. So what I want to let you guys know is that the cutoff for questions for the AMA is going to be on the 20th. So 2 days from the time of recording this video, we are going to cut it off, and then I'm going to start to sort everything out, and I will post the final list of questions for Andrew on the Excudo Weekly Discord subgroup coming up soon. But 2 more days, guys. If you do have a question for the CEO of Excudo, get it posted on there. Anything you're thinking, I like to slip as many different categories in there as possible, and it is appreciated. And this is really the best way for you to reach out and get direct feedback from the CEO. Did you guys think I was going to forget the giveaway? I absolutely do not forget it. I know we were busy this week, but it is pushed to the end of the episode. But if this is your address above me right now, I will be sending you $25 Canadian worth of EON a little bit later today. So congratulations. So with that said, guys, that is all I have for you for this week. Exciting times with MultiBroker, with the swap, with all the things going on with the Excudo ecosystem this quarter. And of course, with the AMA coming up, I think this is poised to be our best year yet coming up in 2021. And I have lots of thoughts. So I'll be sharing those with you over the next little bit, especially after the AMA. If you guys want to enter the contest, you want to get on that $25 we give away every single week, just post your EON address in the comments section below and you'll be entered. I use a random number generator to pick an address, and then that's it. That's sent off every evening after recording. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't yet, please like and subscribe. For Exscudo Talk, I'm Triple Laird.